it do, y'all? It's your girl Ree, and I'm back with another video. I have another nail tutorial for y'all. Happy Valentine's Day. It's a late Valentine's Day post, but I'm here with it. I hope you all had a great Valentine's Day. I did. So guys, I hope you all are doing well, because I'm doing well and I'm back at it again. I know I'll be disappearing on y'all and I'll be coming back, disappearing, coming back, but I'm back again. So guys, we're gonna try to be consistent this time. I know. I say that every time, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try. 2024, we're gonna try. Happy New Year's. So I'm doing these Valentine's Day nails on my non-dominant hand. And right now I am doing my prepping. Well, I already did my prep. So we're just using our primer to prime our nails. You want to make sure you get your whole nail so that your nails will stick. Acrylics or polygels or whatever you're using will not come off. This is a very, very, very important step. So today we're going to be using PolyGel. I'm doing PolyGel nails. Y'all, to be honest, this is a older nail video. This is about a year old. I was been supposed to post this last Valentine. So I'm just showing y'all all the polygels that I'm going to be using. I'm using Gelish, and I'm using Rosslin's polygel. Gelish is the slip solution, and then I also have like a nude color that I'm using from Gelish, and then I'm using the glitter polygel from Rosslyn, and my clear polygels from Rosslyn. So slip solution, y'all, to be honest, is really just alcohol, but I bought some just to see the difference between slip and alcohol. It worked the same. So right now I am using my polygel brush to pat down the polygel. I am doing an ombre look for these nails, and then I will be putting my Valentine's Day hearts and my puzzle pieces on top of this. So guys, I was fairly new to using polygels when I did this. And like I said, I'm using the hand that I don't use on a daily basis, so it's taking me a little bit more time to pat this down to where I like it. Now I'm gonna put on the clear on this nail, because most of this nail is going to be covered with hearts and puzzle pieces, so I just put a little bit on the tip of the nail. And to be honest guys, when you're putting this polygel on, you kind of just want to spread it out a little bit to where it covers your nail tip, and then you can actually turn your hand around as if you were using hard gels, because polygel also self levels. So if you see that it starts to spread or flatten out, just turn your hand around upside down, and then it'll self level and it will create that apex that you would like to see. As you all see, I made that really thin because I don't want this nail to be too thick, because I'm going to be covering it with puzzle pieces and hearts, and then after that I'm going to overlay it with clear polygel. So now I'm just taking my puzzle pieces and I'm just placing them where I want them to go. I kind of want to look like puzzles being put together and puzzle pieces falling down the nail. So I'm just like giving it that type of look. And then I'm going to probably add like some hearts on top or next to it. Overlay the pieces. And then I'm going to ombre it with the nude at the bottom. It's going to be real cute. Y'all, I'm struggling so much trying to pick up these pieces with my other hand, and I keep on shaking the camera. I didn't know that I was doing all that. Ooh, I gotta get me a more stable camera holder. But yeah, oh, look at that candy. What? Say love. It's pink, my favorite color. It's cute. It's really cute. I feel like I'm somewhat satisfied with that nail. So now I'm just going to go ahead and place my candy hearts on my other nail. And I'm going to put some pieces all over the place on this nail. And shout out to Rosslyn. They be giving me some good products. Like, y'all, if anything, Rosslyn got some really good matte top coat. Like, when they sent me some matte top coat, that stuff works so good and it don't peel. Like, they polygels are good too. So y'all need to go check them out for real. I'm gonna make sure I put they stuff in the description box below. So now y'all, I'm just doing the base part. I was going to ombre it with nude, but I decided to add some more glitter onto it. So I kind of just put the little bead kind of close to the cuticle. Make sure it's not too close because, like I said, polygel spreads. So you want to make sure you give it a little gap between the cuticle. So yeah, I just sped this up a little bit because it took me a little minute to put this bead right here using my other hand. I had to keep cleaning up around the cuticle because, like I said, I put it a little too close to the cuticle area. But I ombre the pieces with a little bit of glitter. It looked cute. It looked cute. I'm gonna just add a little bit more pieces onto this nail because I decided that's what I wanted to do instead of ombreing it with nude. Y'all, I just wanted to have a, a clear and a new ombre nail with the little pieces in it, and then a glitter nail with the pieces on it. So I had changed my mind. I get to change my mind when I'm doing stuff. I be having a vision, but now I be like, oh, okay, I think I should do this. Yeah, you understand if you're a nail tech, things change drastically when you're thinking you're gonna do something and you just flip the whole script. You don't flip the whole script sometimes, but sometimes you do. Like, it just be here, there, everywhere. Your mind just be going crazy. If you're an artist, you will understand. And placement is everything. If you don't know how to place, especially with stones or just pieces like this that go under the nail, this is considered encapsulated, then you will fail as a nail tech. So placement and learning how to put things on nails, you need to learn how to do that because that plays a big factor in how your nails will look. So now I am just covering these pieces with clear before I ombre it with my nude, because if I ombre it with the nude before I cover this up, the ombre will not turn out right. So I'm like flattening that out really good, with my slip brush, my polygel brush, and I'm just making sure I get those pieces nice and covered and keep it flat because, like I said, you have two more layers to put on this nail, so you don't want to have no fat nails. So make sure you keep the bottom layers really flat. So now I'm going in with the top for this nail. Now that all my pieces is where I want them to be, I am going to encapsulate it with the clear. Y'all, I was having such a hard time putting that clear on there. Then my pieces start coming off. And I'm like, what the heck? So here I go, getting the patting, making sure that every piece is covered. I keep wetting my brush, making sure that my polygel stays where I want it to and that it levels out how I want it to. Make sure y'all go check out these Powerpuff Girl nails that I did also on my other hand. They were so cute. I will post the link up above, so make sure y'all go check that out. And if y'all want to see more of things that I do for shorts and B Love's nails and stuff like that, because I don't record her nails every time that I do them. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Sherice the Nail Tech. I will put that right here. And yeah, make sure y'all go follow me and check out what I do on my shorts and reels and stuff like that. So now I am ombreing with the nude. So I put my second bead at the bottom and I'm just flattening that out a little bit, and then I'm using my brush to do a pat in motion. You don't really want to swipe because it will make it too flat. So you only want to start brushing and swiping up when you get closer towards the ombre area, if you get what I'm saying, because you want to blend those two acrylics polygels together so that it will look ombre. So that's the ombre nail that turned out very cute, and I encapsulate it with clear after you're done ombreing because you don't want to foul off that ombre at the end, so you have to put a thin layer of clear over your ombre. And then this nail here, I'm just adding a couple puzzle pieces and a few hearts. I don't really want to cover this nail too much. This is just going to be my clear nail with hearts and puzzle pieces. I don't really want to do too much with this nail. I kind of want to keep it simple a little bit, but cute. You know what I'm saying? And also, I want to thank all the newcomers who have came, supported, commented, liked the video, and subscribed. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We on the road to 16K. I am just so happy and humble about the whole situation. And I'm promising y'all consistency and just time management, just everything. It's all going to change this year. It's going to change this year because I see y'all like what y'all see and what y'all hear. So I want to keep bringing it for y'all. I want to keep bringing it. Let me know in the comments below what else y'all want to see. I know I do mukbangs and ASMRs too. I might do some ASMRs with nails. Like, just any type of comments. I mean, anything that, not comments, but anything that y'all want to see, please comment below. So now I'm taking my clear polygel and I'm just encapsulating this nail. Like I said, I just kept this one a little simple, no glitter, just hearts and puzzle pieces, and that's it. And you see that I'm swaying the polygel side to side. That actually helps it self level better, like so that you won't have to push the polygel into certain corners and areas that it's not going to. You just kind of want to let it do its own thing. So just kind of, without pushing down on it, use your brush to kind of move the polygel around. If you ever use hard gels, like I said earlier in the video, you will understand what I'm talking about. It's some thin polygels and some thicker polygels, but to me, I feel like they all kind of work the same and they all self-level once you put that alcohol or slip solution on it. So, yeah, you don't really need to do too much patting or swiping or moving around. You just want to level it through you want to make sure that it's all level out through the nail, and then flip your hand around upside down and it'll just self level on its own. And if it's any excess, you could just take that off using your polygel brush. So on this nail, I'm just doing the same thing that I have on my pinky nail. I'm doing glitter tip, ombre, and that's it. I'm not adding any hearts or puzzle pieces on this one. And we're just going to keep it simple and cute. Like I said, these nails it took me, if you really want to know the real time, it took me about it took me about 3 hours to do these nails because, like I said, I'm using my other hand. So it was kind of like hard, and I was still newly learning how to use this polygel stuff. So yeah, it took me about 3 hours, y'all. Even though this video is like 18 minutes, it took me 3 hours. So I had to do a lot of editing on this video, see what to keep in, what to take out. But like y'all see, I'm doing the same thing. So the gelish, if y'all haven't noticed, the gelish polygel is a little bit thicker than Rosslin's polygel. It's more clay-like, which I kind of like polygels that's like that because you got a little bit more wiggle room to like play with it and mold it where you want it to be at. It's not as thin. So I kind of like polygels that's like that. So now that my nails are cured, I put it under the light for 90 seconds. I'm wiping it off with alcohol because you want to make sure the sticky layer is off before you file your nails. They're all filed, shaped, and buff. Now I'm going in with the things that I'm going to stick on my nails. I'm going to add like a little sucker, some rhinestones, and we just going to doll these babies up, make them cute. You know what I'm saying? Valentine's candy, you know what I'm saying? So I use crazy glue. Is that crazy glue that I just used? I don't know. Crazy glue. I use crazy glue, all types of glues to stick on stones. And I also like to use rhinestone glue. But I'm just using my little daughter tool to place my stones because my wax pen, I couldn't find it. So y'all could just watch me do a little stone placement here and there. I'm not going to show y'all the whole thing. Just a little stone placement here and there because I know stone placements, unless it's just a stone placement video, can be very boring or very time consuming. So I just wanted to show y'all how I'm doing these stones. I'm adding some neon pink and all that stuff. But I really hope y'all like this video. These nails turned out really cute. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with anyone and everyone. I'm letting them know what your girl Bree is doing. But make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video because I will have a next video after that. And the next video after that. We're probably going to try to do like 3 videos a week. Come on, we can do it. But I'm putting on my Valentino's gel, no wipe gel top coat, my clear top coat, just to let these babies shine. You want to top coat the top. And I sometimes when I'm doing encapsulated or clear nails, I like the top coat underneath the nails also. And make sure I get that really good. Some people feel like it's unnecessary, but I like to do that. I don't know. It's just a thing I do. I feel like it just make it more glass looking. So yeah, we're doing that, and after it cures for 60 seconds, you can oil your fingers up, make them look good, picture ready, and you're done. So, but yeah, back to what I was saying. See y'all in the next video. Love you. Peace. Mwah.